Hi guys, here's another video. I've got this kettle to descale today. You can see all the brown scale inside of it here. I'm going to see if I can remove that today. So I'm going to use this Rock descaler, kettles, irons and what's not. Not promoting it, just picked it up from the shop and going to give it a try. So it's just a matter of pouring inside the kettle the whole content of this, like so. And then what I'm going to do is switch the kettle on with the lid open and just let it boil. You can see here it's starting to boil now, it's starting to fizz and break away at the scale at the bottom. Bit of steam there. Okay, I've added a bit more water, as you can see here, and it's boiling away nicely. It's about half full, so I've switched it off. Just going to let it cool down. As you can see, there's a big difference already. You can see the scale at the bottom has gone, and what I'm going to do, there's a bit of scaling around the edge here. I'm just going to use a swab just to remove that also, because this scaler seems to be pretty good. So I'm just wiping the sides here where you've got scale along the lip of the kettle, and in the spout. I'm going to give that all a wipe with this scaler, as you can see there. And you can see it's starting to work on it already. It's starting to disappear, which is pretty good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is rinse it all out. Just show you inside here. It's cooled down now. It's still got the descaling fluid in there, but as you can see, it's a lot better, a lot cleaner inside. So it's just a matter of tipping this fluid out, and then I'm just going to rinse it a few times just to get rid of the fluid, the descaling fluid. And let me just show you here. This is what it looks like now, and this is what it looked like before. Okay, this is what it looks like now. As you can see, nice and clean inside. So all I'm going to do now, I've rinsed it out a few times. I'm just going to put it to boil with a full kettle, and then to tip that out, and that should be complete. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.